Forest products manufacturing has evolved significantly since the early days of sawmilling and papermaking. The forest products industry is among the top 10 manufacturing sectors in 48 states and generates over $200 billion a year in sales and about $54 billion in annual payroll. Forest products manufactured in the U.S. include pulp and paper, lumber, engineered wood products, wood pellets, and a host of secondary products, including cabinets, furniture, and millwork. The one thing all these manufacturers have in common is their need for an abundant and sustainable supply of trees to produce their products. In the early days of forest products manufacturing, processes were labor-intensive and production levels were low. As technology has developed, however, these operations have become more automated, increasing production and improving worker safety. Today, pulp and paper mills run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for maximum efficiency. In addition, improvements in technology have allowed forest products manufacturers to increase recovery rates, producing more finished products from the same volume of trees. The result? Less waste. Even the waste that's produced is being recovered and used in other processes on site or by other manufacturers as raw material for different products. Forest products top the list of consumer goods that can be recycled and reused. As an example, almost 67% of the total paper consumed by the American public is captured by the pulp and paper industry and recycled. As a result, the forest products industry is the nation's leading producer and consumer of renewable energy. Today's forest product manufacturing facilities are heavily regulated, and compliance with local, state, and federal regulations represents a significant cost of the manufacturing process. The forest products industry has one of the best records of compliance of any industry sector with both environmental and workplace safety regulations. As you can see, the forest products industry has a great environmental story to tell. They harvest trees that are renewable from forests that are sustainable to produce products that are recyclable, and use any waste to produce power, steam, and other forest products. In other words, the forest products industry is the global leader in environmental stewardship.